In this video, I'll show you how to remove extensions from Microsoft Edge to keep your browser clean, fast, and secure. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Once the browser loads, look at the top right corner of the window and find the extensions icon, which looks like a small puzzle piece. Click that icon to open the list of installed extensions. You'll see all the add-ons currently installed in your browser. Find the extension you want to remove. Next to its name, click the three dots to open its options menu. If you don't see the three dots immediately, hover your mouse over the extension name and they should appear. From the menu, click Remove from Microsoft Edge. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove the extension. Click Remove again to confirm. Once confirmed, the extension will be fully uninstalled and disappear from your list. This removes its permissions and stops it from running in the background. If you ever need it again, you can reinstall it from the Edge add-ons store. That's it. Open Edge, click the puzzle piece icon, find the extension, select Remove from Microsoft Edge, and confirm. It's a quick way to declutter your browser and improve performance.